Hello and welcome to another episode of our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix ChatGPT sign up not working. Now to fix this problem, firstly you need to head over to web browser on your device and there search for status.openai.com and check if there's any problem in OpenAI. Now it's not the case that you're facing this problem, then head over to the second solution. Now for the second solution, go back to your web browser and then clear cache of your web browser. Now to do so, tap on three dots on the top right and then tap on settings option, and now tap on privacy and security. Now tap on the very first option, clear browsing data, and make sure to check these two boxes and then tap on clear data button. After that, try to sign up for ChatGPT and there you will be able to fix this problem. Now if it doesn't fix your problem, then you can try this process in other web browser on your device and it will definitely fix this problem. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video and I will see you in the next one.